Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Honda City car. Price. The 2023 City is priced from 11.49 rupees lakh to 15.97 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. Variants. It can be booked in 4 trims, SV, New, V, VX and ZX. The City Hybrid is available on the V and ZX trims. Colors. The 2023 Honda City is available in 6 monotone shades: Obsidian Blue Pearl, Radiant Red Metallic, Platinum White Pearl, Golden Brown Metallic, Meteoroid Gray Metallic and Lunar Silver Metallic. Engine and transmission. It gets its power from the same 1.5-liter petrol engine as before and makes 121 PS and 145 Nm. This unit is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-step CVT. Features. Honda City's feature list comprises an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless phone charging, ambient lighting, leather upholstery, cruise control and a sunroof. Safety. Passenger safety is ensured by up to 6 airbags, electronic stability control, ESC, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which includes collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, road departure mitigation, auto high beam assist, and lane keep assist. Rivals. The facelift Honda City continues to rival the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, Skoda Slavia, Volkswagen Virtus, and the 2023 Hyundai Verna. Specification of Honda City. Array mileage 18.4 km per liter. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1,498 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 119.35 bhp at 6600 rpm. Max torque 145 Nm at 4300 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Boot space 506 liters. Fuel tank capacity 40 liters. Body type sedan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.